Hi dear boys, my name is Francisco Di Lullo. I am Italian. My language is not very perfect and nothing perfect, but I improve to say a little gag. A man go to the doctor and say, doctor, I have a problem. What is the problem, man? The problem is that when I drink the coffee, I have pain to the right eye. Why? Perché because when you drink the coffee in the cup, you don't put off the spoon. And when he drink the coffee, the spoon back to the eye. For who don't understood, I explain. So this is Christmas and Happy New Year. I don't remember this song. Di Lullo Show, Di Lullo Show, see to you, no, watch to you. Di Lullo Show, go watch to you, Mitico Show on the TV, or TV, or TV, or TV, I don't know, but the important is to follow my channel. Bye friend, and I hope I see you. No, I see you. You see me another video. Goodbye.